Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add an ARC card to the McDonald's application in 2026. For that, first of all, you need to open your McDonald's application, then log in into your account. Afterwards, tap on the More tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Now, in some regions, you may see the options here that would say Add Gift Card, where you can enter your ARC card number and the PIN. However, according to McDonald's official US policy, our cards currently cannot be permanently registered as a payment method for mobile orders in most of the regions. So if direct app linking isn't available, you will typically need to use your ARC card in store at the drive-through or manually during the eligible checkout options. So you need to always check your card balance and the local app features since functionality can vary by country and the app's version. So if this video helped you understand this, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.